Good evening, everybody. My name is Samantha Rodriguez, and today I'm going to be reporting live from the Super Bowl halftime show. Woo, woo, to give you all an important announcement of the new found aloe vera plant. Here is a picture of the beautiful aloe vera plant. It resembles a cactus in appearance, but it is actually a perennial succulent. This is what an aloe plant looks like, or most of you may know it more as aloe gel. This keeps you from crying at night from a long day at the beach. Well, there are over 200 different species of aloe growing in the dry regions of Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas, both central and south. There are a lot of aloe plants grown worldwide, but they are native and originate from Africa. Aloe plants are able to grow in a variety of habitats, from forest to rocky areas, but they prefer to grow in climate areas that are drier rather than moist areas. They can be grown both indoors and outdoors, but it needs to be full of sunlight with very minimal shade. So here is the classification of the aloe vera plant. The domain is Eukarya, the kingdom Plantae, the phylum Spermatophyta, the class Liliopsidia, order Liliaceae, family Aloaceae, genus Aloe, and species Aloe vera. And here is a picture of the phylogenetic tree. So all of these are related to the aloe, but the red branches represent the 6 general known collectively as aloes: aloe, arista aloe, gonia aloe, kumara, aloe and aloedendron. And here is the life cycle of a plant. I'm just gonna kick it to the punch and let y'all know that my media guy didn't find a picture for the aloe vera plant life cycle. I know. But luckily, I can explain how the plant cycle and the aloe vera cycle are somewhat related to each other. I'm going to explain the germination, the growth, the pollination, and the seeds of the aloe vera plant. So the germination, the aloe seeds germinate when in contact with most moist soil. That seed's root emerges from the seed and anchors the aloes. And then in the growth, in heat growing season, pointed thick leaves full of jelly like sap grows as long as the temperature remains unfrozen. The leaf tissues remain plump and sturdy. In pollination, in the middle of the summer, or depending on the climate, a mature aloe sprouts upwards a tall, slender flower. From the middle of the leaves, at the tip of the flower, is a small bunch of yellow tubular-shaped flowers that are pollinated by hummingbirds, but because the birds are not familiar with the aloe, the birds don't always pollinate the flower. But luckily, the seeds, when they are pollinated, they turn into small green pods like cucumbers, what they look like. When the pod matures, it dries up and turns brown. When it splits apart and releases the seeds into the soil, the seeds stay there until they are ready for germination. Or the aloes are also asexual, which means a little piece of the aloe can be cut and planted again, which can create a new big aloe. So thank you for listening to our live report from the Super Bowl halftime show, where nothing matters other than the aloe vera plant. Take it away.